Hello and welcome to week 12 of Johnston Community College's English 112 Online Fall Semester 2018. Yay! So last week you were supposed to submit your first draft of your proposal paper through the discussion board. This week you get a chance to download 2 other people's papers and give them feedback. So again, if you go to the discussion board, now again I'm creating this video way in advance. So again, when you click on proposal peer review, at this point in time, after the 31st, you should see a whole bunch of threads where people have posted their first drafts. You will then choose someone who hasn't had, ideally, choose someone who hasn't had anyone feedback, hasn't had anyone give them feedback. And if everyone has at least one person give them feedback, then you can choose somebody else and give them the second feedback, and so on and so on and so on. And then so you're going to download their paper and you're going to answer particular questions. The questions again are found here when you click on discussion board. You'll see these are the questions. You're supposed to review their paper and answer these questions. So you're going to do that for 2 different papers. Okay? So make sure you go through their paper and make sure you look for these particular things and give them good feedback. Don't just say yes, no, no, yes, yes, yes. Give them good feedback. What's working well, what's not working well. This is your chance to give them feedback to make their paper better. And there's something in it for you aside from a grade. By looking at other people's paper, you will recognize what they did well, so that you can incorporate that in your own paper, not copying and pasting, but like, oh, I like how they did this, or ooh, I like how they did that. That's completely fine. Or, oh, they got APA formatting wrong. Ah, man, I messed that up. The other thing you can do is sometimes you can look at it and say, man, their paper's a mess. I feel so much better about mine. Well, maybe that's not the best way to approach it, but that does happen. Okay, so that's what we're doing this week. So you're downloading 2 other people's papers, and then you're going to review them, answering these questions, and you'll post them. You can just do a reply. So once you click in here, and you'll see a thread, there should be a chance for you to reply to them directly. Okay, so if it says, Jason Works proposal paper, there should be a reply button. Again, since there's nothing here created, you can't really see that. But then you can reply with your particular answers. Okay, now keep in mind everyone can read what's on the discussion board, so be professional. Give constructive criticism. It's not constructive criticism to say this is perfect, there's nothing wrong. No, everyone has something that they can improve upon, so find something for them to work on. Yes, that's very helpful. Okay, so let's go back here to week 12. Okay, so what else are we doing this week? And then you get to work on revising your paper, and your paper is due on the 20th. Okay, November 20th. That's when that's due. So after you've had people give you feedback by the 7th, that will give you from the 7th to the 20th to revise your paper, to make significant changes, to make it even better so you can get a very good grade on it. So that's what we're doing here in week 12. Still working on the proposal paper, and you're helping each other out in collaborative working. Yay, collaborative working. That's what we're doing. Okay, so that's it for week 12. So go have fun.